So today is part 2 of the SRT4 build. We're going to pull the head off the motor, see if it's salvageable. We know the block is completely destroyed. We've also got willwood 6-piston brakes to install. He's got his wheels powder coated. We're going to put them on with some new tires. And then just whatever else we can find to do. So this is Fred. He's just kind of sitting back here chilling. Fred? Hey. Yeah, he's extremely nosy. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. And we'll just go from there and see what happens. Whatever else we can find to do. Alright, so tell me what we're doing, Clarence.
Alright, so we are doing a 6-piston big brake install on my Neon SRT4. So what you have here is you have, of course, your 6-piston caliper, which I had powder coated. Sorry, I'm trying to be real gentle here. Real nice color. And then you have your 2-piece rotor, which has, you know, your top piece, and then of course your bolts, which are all torque to spec and thread locked. So it's pretty easy. You take your factory rotor, your factory caliper set off. It comes with this bracket, and you take your 2 bolts here, and then of course your washer in between, and your bracket's all secured. And then you slide your rotor over it. Now with these brakes, you have to use these shims. So you might have to use, you know, 1 shim, 2 shims, 3 shims.
And this comes with multiple?
It comes with multiple because it will help center the brake caliper. Because this kit isn't really for an SRT. There's universal parts, so you kind of got to make stuff work. That's why not a lot of companies offer a 6-piston kit. And usually, if they do, and it's like direct bolt-on, it's pretty expensive. This is like $900. Well, excluding the powder coat.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, calipers on, pads are in. Looks good.
Yeah. That kind of sucks.
So why are we removing the brake master cylinder reservoir?
Because we are removing this because I have a stainless steel line that goes from the master cylinder all the way to the slave cylinder to get rid of this spaghetti over here, which is ridiculous in my opinion.
All right, so Clarence is under there loosening the brake booster.
Yeah.
And so we can slide that master cylinder around it.
Yeah.
And he's having a lot of fun under the dash, right, dude?
Yeah, man. This is definitely where I prefer to be in life.
Hell yeah, bro.
This is
Your back looks really comfortable.
Yeah, man. You know, gotta work out the kinks. This is a budget build, so no one has time to go to the doctor and get your back worked out. I mean, it's time for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this sucks. Yeah, this definitely sucks. I could definitely think of better ways to spend my time than doing this.
It's always fun hanging out on a under a dash, right, bro?
What? I don't like your idea of fun. We have two completely different perspectives on fun.
Don't give up. We're too far now. I mean, we got to build this car. I mean, the motor's out of it.
There's definitely no stopping.
We can't part it out, bro.
I mean, halfway there, shit.
Coming soon, 2004 SRT4 part out.
Fuck yeah.
Success. There it goes. So now we learned today, whenever you're going to take a master cylinder off, you got to loosen the brake booster a little bit.
Yeah.
We said a lot of cuss words off camera, but we got it.
Oh no, we're still gonna say some cuss words.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Okay.
I think you were tightening it.
You're right. Crusty ass bolt. So I want to get all my shit coated. Uh-oh. That's what I get for talking shit.
Probably be somebody like, well, you know, it'd be a lot easier if you set the damn camera down and help him. Well, you know what? I do. Postmaster's out. Starting to look like a car. Now we just need a motor.
It'll look like a car way before it gets to the
Yeah. But I mean, there's a way to do it though. You build it kind of from the ground up. One thing I give to Clarence is he really took his time to clean the hell out of this engine bay. He wrapped all the wiring, tucked it in some places.
I eliminated the fog lights because I saw the intercooler setup for this car. Normally the traditional intercooler goes through the core support, but I want to do kind of an old school style where I route the end tanks through the side and they go through the frame rail. That way, if anything happens and I have any boost leaks and I have to fix anything, I don't have to worry about dealing with the end tank on the AC compressor side. I hate screwing with that, so just kind of simplify some things.
All right, so you got some new wheels, tires, and they're what, anodized?
Well, so we have the 17-inch 17x8 plus 35 Inky RPF ones. I had them powder coated as satin black, and then behind that we have the Willwood 6-piston big brake kit in the front. The rotors will not stay black. A lot of people have been asking me that. Once the pad hits it, essentially it will turn silver.
You can't just keep spray painting it black?
No, man, nobody has time for all that. That's just a waste of materials at that point. So the front tire size is going to be a 245 4017. It's like a Toyo R888 compound. So I've never ran tires like this before, so this is honestly going to be a new experience for me. I'm doing some research into some things to see what's going to break. And then we have a 235 45 17 in the rear. I originally ordered this tire for the front, but then I got a good deal on those 245s, and I was like, you know what, let me kind of put this together and see what I like, and whichever tire I don't like, I can put on my daily. So it kind of works out great. And now I actually like the combination. It looks good as is, so we might rock it. And so yeah, I mean, it's getting there. It's really good to see the car on the ground.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks a lot tougher than I thought it was going to.
Yeah, you're gonna need all the help you can get with the front wheel drive, man. And I think those tires are gonna work out well.
Yeah, I agree.
They sit perfect, man.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
All right, so we put the hood and the lip on just for kicks, just to see how it looked. Looks good, man. The black and the silver really pulls it together.
Because just that trunk alone now is $1,000.
Jeez.
Yeah, I think the hood is almost $1,200.
And this is real carbon. This ain't no wrap.
The lip is like $700. It's wild, man.
Jeez.
For the trunk.
That's for a license plate?
Yeah. This goes behind it. License plate goes in front of it.
Oh, okay.
So pretty much you come back here and you pretty much remove the plate, and then it just.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Damn.
it's one of those real cool details. But like the carbon fiber surround is in there. And then around the gauge cluster too, it's carbon.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's getting there, man.
And our buddy DJ with the 3D printer, he has that white RX-7 LS swap that I did a review on a while back. He made these gauge pods on his 3D printer. So shout out to him. All right, so we're gonna yank the head today as well and see what's going on. Hopefully we can salvage that thing.
Yeah, I doubt it.
I doubt it.
Yeah, I don't have high hopes going into this. Yeah.
Them ARP head studs ain't playing, bro.
No, they're not. That's why you had to help me loosen some of these because they were fucking tight. We're a team here, man. 2-man operation.
Yes, sir.
Well, just 2 people here anyway.
We have multiple.
Yeah, there's lots of us.
Here we go, moment of truth. It's actually not too bad.
No, it's not bad at all. Actually, I was honestly, and you can definitely tell that. That definitely.
I mean, it had to be reworked a little bit.
Yeah,
I think that's salvageable.
that's definitely salvageable.
Badass.
Wow.
This was a ported head too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to
ported.
save it. Yeah. Wow. Man, this is good, man. This has honestly been on my mind for months now, not knowing what this looks like.
I think it can be reworked.
Oh, dude, yeah, it's definitely salvageable.
Alright, so he's gonna pull the oil pan off and watch how the internals fall out of it. That'll be fun.
Dude. Yeah, man. It's gonna sound like marbles.
Yeah.
Like it's good. Yeah. I'm not really one to get like super excited about pulling something apart, but I'm really excited about pulling this apart.
Hey man, I can't help you. I'm holding the camera. It's really hard.
There's one more bolt on the other side. So now you're gonna have to hold this.
Would you like me to give you a hand?
Play right here.
All right.
I forgot I left it there just in case.
Where the hell is it at? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ready?
Go. Oh shit.
Oh, it wasn't even attached.
No, it sure wasn't. Well, that's the rest of the piston.
I don't think your oil's supposed to be that clumpy.
I like them big.
Oh, marbles.
Those are piston rings. Ooh, yeah, the oil pickup tube is smashed. Oh man, this is great. Like what? So, alright, cool. So I can totally get that fixed now. I found this piece.
Oh yeah.
I can get it all welded back together,
Yeah.
and it'll be better. It'll be better than factory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that's fucking. Look at that.
Oh. See, that's what I'm afraid I'm gonna do with my camera right here. Just
Well,
bloop,
you know.
right in the oil. So I'm gonna move this out of the way.
Man.
Like man, I'll be a jackass being talked about on YouTube. You see a dumbass filming his buddy's car, dropped his camera in oil.
Right? We didn't even know what kind of car he was working on.
Yeah, just boop right in the oil.
Yeah.
I think my wife would kill me.
Probably. Just tell me all your equipment.
Well, what's left of it? What's not in the oil?
Right.
Damn, Clarence, you should have sent it harder. You just saw it right in half. Well, the pickup did its job.
Dude, yeah, it did. Look. In there.
Wow. Well. All right, Clarence. Well, I guess what do you think? Is that about it for today?
Yeah.
Gonna wrap up.
That's it for today. Gonna organize the storage and clean some stuff up and push the car back in here.
So what's next on the agenda after this?
Start to get a new motor together.